Hi, I'm Dirk Seidel, Senior Marketing Manager with Lattice Semiconductor. And today I want to show you our object counting demo, counting apples and oranges. This demo uses our Lattice sensAI technology stack with our embedded vision development kit. It identifies apples as red dots and oranges as green dots and shows the final results on the screen. If I take some apple and oranges away, this number changes. If I put an apple back, it increases the number of apples by 1. If I put them all back, I have my total numbers of apples and oranges again. This demo showcases an application for a self-checkout terminal at a grocery store, or can be used in any other kind of counting application at Smart Factory. The demo uses 8 convolutional networks and runs at 14 frames per second. And most of all, it consumes less than 1 watt. For more information, check us out at our website. Thanks for watching.